Okay, good afternoon, traders. Here we are, VTP Stage 2 online, technical Tuesday, coaching call 190 for the 28th of April, 2026. I hope you're well. I hope you've had a good start to the week. Hope you're intrigued by the moves we're seeing in markets at the moment. As always, there's plenty for us to talk about. As always, you are very welcome here. Just remember that you are responsible for your own trading decisions. Okay, so as I said, STAM plugin is just showing that Aussie strength is still nipping away there. Japanese yen, even despite what they've said, it's kind of it's working its way up there. The euro, which had been really strong last week, okay, that's working its way lower there, okay, up on that. So that's what we were seeing there. But let's have a look at the actual charts themselves. Boom, dollar index, okay, dollar index, yeah, look at that. Weekly chart, the weekly chart, war off, risk on. War on, risk off. Bang, dollar strong. Go sideways as we'll work out what the hell's going on, and then ceasefires, war off, risk on. I talked about this a few times yesterday. Last week's candle was at the moving averages with an inside bar, which is also an indecision candle. Okay, it's just a reflection of all of those spinning tops and indecision. Everybody just, the tide has gone out, right? The tide's gone out in front of this week. That's what that's telling you. And if we go down a little bit deeper, this is the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart and dollar index, at the end of Friday, okay, we've basically, dollar's dropped, okay, there, okay, as everybody think, well, there's a new Iran peace proposal, and then actually as they've read it, no, there ain't, okay, and that has just been quite some movement. Look at that, that's a really nice bullish pin bar engulfing candle, key reversal right there. You've got that was just a real nice dollar edge, set up in terms of the dollar working for it. The only reason is the challenge you've got is that, of course, today you had Bank of Japan, and then tomorrow you got Bank of Command, Canada, and Federal Reserve. So there's always a bit of shenanigans going on there, as you can see. Anyway, I think we're going to look at Japanese yen anyway. But if we look at quite a few of these, like Kiwi dollar, down at the start of the week, pumps back up. Okay, same with Aussie dollar, starts off the week dropping, then rallies. Euro dollar doing the kind of the same as in cable, as in dollar Swiss inverse, as is in dollar CAD. All right, so kind of a lot's going on there. That's what I said. Is that bang, lots of weekly inside candles, okay, for not dollar Swiss wasn't it, but dollar yen was, and Kiwi dollar. All right, that's what we're looking for there. Let's just put these all on 4 hours as well, so we can have a little look at what's boom. So yeah, if the dollar is flying up, right? Yeah, look at that. Dollar's flying up there, okay? This is the 4-hour chart, bang, dollar flying up, Kiwi weakening, Aussie weakening, Euro really weakening, Sterling weakening, okay, dollar strengthening, all right? That's the way we go. That's the way we look at it. If anything, I think I might have said this yesterday, is that actually the kind of the nice trade was you had the kind of this bearish pin bar, all right, off the 50 period moving average and 4-hour chart. Then it follows through into an evening star, and actually, as you can see, we've kind of fallen our way down to those lows. That's the nice move there in the euro dollar, and that's just a reflection of everybody loves the Iran. Iran has put a proposal forward. Everybody hates the fact that Trump doesn't like it, and we're going to get up to all sorts of other trouble. So there we go. That's what we're looking at there with the dollar. Let us have a look